Hello, everyone. I'm Miss A.G., Library Assistant at Ruby Young Elementary. I'm going to be reading for you today Animals Are Sleeping, with permission from Sylvan-Dale Publishing. It is written by Susan Slade and is beautifully illustrated by Gary R. Phillips. I think you're really going to enjoy this book. And at the end of the book, there are some activities for you to participate in. So I want you to pay close attention to those pages. Of course, you can stop the video and do the activities, and I think you'll learn a lot. I certainly did, and you'll have a lot of fun. Animals are sleeping. Shh, shh. The animals are sleeping. Standing up, upside down. Down below, below the ground. Shh, shh. The animals are sleeping. Curled on the snow. Perched in a tree. Warm on a rock. Floating free. Shh, shh. The animals are sleeping. Catnap. Deep sleep. Quick wink. Without a peep. Shh, shh. The animals are sleeping. In the broad daylight. In the still of night. The animals are sleeping. Good night. Sleep tight. All right, everyone, that's the end of our story. But I want to pause at this page because we have some facts here, some activities for you to do, and you can interact with these. So try to answer the questions. If you need help, I'm sure your uh, mom or dad or someone in your household will be able to help you with these answers. So just take a look and learn about these animals. And feel free to stop this, on each page to do the exercises or activities.